Now we are going to solve these two sums using our abacus tool. Our first sum is 6 plus 5, right? Now let's solve it. 6 plus 5. Here the upper bit whose value is 5 is already in use. Here we have already used the upper bits whose value is 5. So direct addition of 5 is not possible, right? And also the small friend addition of 5 is not happening here, because we already know that we can apply the small friend formula from the number 1 to 4. Here we need to add 5. So how we can solve this sum? Let's see the second sum, which is 1 plus 8 plus 5. Here also same condition. We have already used the bid of 5. In this case the direct addition of 5 is not possible, and also we can't use the small friend addition of 5. So how we can solve both these sums, right? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to learn one more formula, which is big friend addition of 5. So what is big friend? Big friends are the number which we add up to a total of 10. So what is small friend? Small friends are the number which we add up to a total of 5. What is big friend? Big friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 10. If I ask you what is the big friend of 1? See, suppose we have one finger here. How many more fingers we have to add so that we will get 10? We have to add 9 more fingers so that we will get 10. So what is the big friend of 1? That is 9. So 1 is the big friend of 9. 9 is also the big friend of 1. Now you can say what is the big friend of 5? So 5 is the big friend of 5. Right? Now I am going to write the formula for the big friend addition of 5. So plus 5 is equals to, we have to first add the base value for the big friend, which is plus 10. Then we have to subtract the big friend of 5 is 5. So here we got the big friend addition of 5. I have explained about how to write the big friend formula. So you can find this video from the description box. We will apply this formula to solve both the sums. So first sum is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. So plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 11. Next sum is 1 plus 8 plus 5. 1 plus 8 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 14. I hope you are clearly understood up to this. Now we are going to solve some more examples so that you will be more clear how and when we can apply the big friend addition of 5. First question, 7 plus 5 plus 7. 7 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 7. Answer is 19. Next question, 5 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 13. Next question, 9 minus 3 plus 5. 9 minus 3 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 11. Next question, 6 plus 3 plus 5. 6 plus 3 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 14. Next question is 23 plus 6 plus 5. 23 plus 6 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 34. Next question, 12 plus 6 plus 5. 12 plus 6 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, answer is 23. Next question, which is 77 plus 2 plus 5. 77 plus 2 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, answer is 84. Let me explain you one more time. 77 plus 2 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5, answer is 84. Our last question is 38 plus 5 plus 6. 38 plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 6, answer is 49. Here we have solved all the questions based on the formula plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. I hope it is clearly understood to you all. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. In next video, we will be learning a new formula. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.